సో హాయ్ అండి. ఇక్కడ ఫిజిక్స్ కొన్ని స్లిప్ టెస్ట్ పేపర్స్, ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్స్ చూద్దాము. ఇది ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ అనమాట. సో ఇవి 1 అవర్ అలానే చిన్న స్మాల్ స్లిప్ టెస్ట్లు అనమాట. ఇవి మీకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి. ఇందులో ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ని చదవండి. ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. ఎస్ఐ యూనిట్ ఆఫ్ హీట్ ఈజ్ absolute zero temperature, infinite cold is. What would be the final temperature of a mixture of 60 grams of water at 40 degrees temperature and 60 grams of water at 80 degree centigrade temperature? SI units of specific heat. Convert 300 K into 0 degree centigrades. And why do the food colors grains into hot water move more rapidly than the grains in cold water? Write the formula for specific heat. Yes. Next, write the difference between temperature and heat. What role does specific heat capacity play in a watermelon to keep it cool for long time after removing it from a fridge on hot day? Express the procedure of finding specific heat of solid or lead shots experimentally. దానికి choice. Which of the following substance take more time to rise its temperature for a certain degree Celsius? Give reason. Substance kerosene oil, specific heat 0 to 50. Substance water, specific heat 1, and sea water 0.95. Next, second lesson and the unit 2, acids, bases and salts. Which gas evolves when acids react with metals? What is the color of phenolphthalein solution when it reacts with bases? Which is used to measure the concentration of hydrogen ions? Who is invented pH scale? What are olfactory indicators? Give an example. What happens if the pH value gastric juice in our body increases? Why does not distilled water conduct electricity? What is neutralization reaction? Give an example. What is importance of pH of the soil? Compounds such as alcohol and glucose contains hydrogen but are not categorized as acids. Describe any activity to prove it. Draw the neat diagram of experiment metal carbonates reacts with acids. Next, lesson 3 and the reaction or refraction of light at plane surfaces. Which of the following is Snell's law? N1 sin I is equal to sin R by N2. N1 by N2 equal to sin R by sin I. N2 by N1 equal to sin R by sin I. N2 sin I is equal to constant. Refractive index value of diamond 2.45, 2.44, 2.42, 2.43. What is the speed of light in vacuum? Refractive index of medium does not depend upon. Next, refractive index of glass relative to water is 9 by 8. What is the refractive index of water relative to glass? What are the factors that influence the refractive index? Next, observe the following table. Medium, water, crown glass, refractive index 1.33, 1.52. Which is the denser, medium, water or crown glass? Answer the following questions. When we sit at a campfire, objects beyond the fire is seen swaying. Give the reasons for it. And how light ray moves when it enters from rarer medium to denser medium to rarer medium. Draw ray diagram. Conduct on experiment which proves sin I by sin R is a constant. Now lesson 4, refraction of light at plane surfaces. If the refractive index of a glass is 3 by 2, then what is the speed of light is glass? The velocity of light in an X medium is 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second, and the velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Find the refractive index of medium X. The process of changing the speed not at interface when a light travel from one medium to another resulting in a change in direction is. Assertion: refractive index of kerosene is greater than water. Reason: the velocity of light in water is greater than in kerosene. Both assertions are reason correct. Both assertion reason are not correct. Assertion is correct, reason is correct explanation. Assertion is correct but reason is not correct explanation. Why is it difficult to shoot a fish swimming in water? The speed of the light in a diamond 1,24,000 km per second. Find the refractive index of diamond if speed of the light in air is 3 lakhs km per second. Why do stars appear twinkling? Define refraction and give some examples of refraction in our daily life. Write down the laws of refraction. Answer the following questions. Refractive index of some materials media is given in the table. Material, coconut, crown, diamond, hydrogen, water, flint glass. And refractive index is 1.445, 1.52, 2.42, 1.000, 132, 1.33, 1.65. Which is optically denser than flint glass? Which is optically rarer than water? In which material does the speed of light travels faster than in coconut oil? In which material the speed of the light is less than the that of crown of glass? Next వచ్చేసరికి lesson 5 refraction of light at curved surfaces. The focal value of any lens is twice the diameter of its curvature. Why? The radius of curvature of any lens is twice the value of that focal length. Both xy are correct, both xy are incorrect, x is correct, y is incorrect, x is incorrect, y is correct. The value of focal length of lens is equal to the value of the image distance when the rays are passing through the optic center parallel to the principal axis and passing through the focus in all the cases. What happens to the image formed by convex lens if its half part is blackened? The image is half formed the upper half image brightness decreases, there will be no impact. When an object is placed, you will get an image of the same size as that of object. At focus, at center of curvature, between center of curvature and focus, beyond center of curvature. On what factors does the focal length of lens depends? Which lens can form real and virtual images? Write the lens formula. Distinguish between convex lens and concave lens. The focal length of converging lens is 20 cm. An object is 60 cm from the lens. Where will be the image be formed? And what kind of image is it? Next, collect the information about lenses by Galileo in his telescope. Next one, sixth step test to acids, bases and salts. Unit 2. What is the value of least distance of distinct vision? The person suffering from hypermetropia, and lesson pair wrong unnatundi. Can objects clearly which are? The upper part of the bifocal lens contains dash lens. Dash letter is used to represent the power of a lens. What are the maximum and minimum focal length of the human eye? Define the terms in the equation P equal to 1 by F. Which lens is used if its D value is negative? Your friend is suffering from an eye defect. Write any two questions do you ask your friend and to find the eye defect. What is the angle of vision? Write its value for a healthy human being. And what is myopia? How do you correct this defect? Explain with a neat diagram. Next lesson. Bifocal length is used to correct with eye defect. The person suffering from myopia cannot see the objects which are dash. In bifocal lens, the lower part contains dash lens. For a lens D value is positive, then what is the lens suggested by the doctor? What is the power of lens? Write its units. Define presbyopia and what is a far point? Doctor has advised to use 2D lens. What is a focal length? Define accommodation of an eye lens. What is hypermetropia? How do you correct the problem? Explain with a diagram. Next, what is the range of L values? A 0 to n, B 0 to n minus 1, C n minus 1 to n plus 1, D 0 to n plus 1. Which diagram enables us in finding the ascending order of n plus L values? Match the following: principal quantum number, angular momentum quantum number, magnetic quantum number, spin quantum number, and M1, ML, MS, N, L. And the principal, just a minute. So, the principle which states that a degenerate orbital can accommodate 2 electrons is dash. Next, what is the information given by principal quantum number? Write the 4 quantum numbers of the differentiating electron in Na atom. Write the relation between angular momentum quantum number and magnetic quantum number. And explain Hund's rule with example. Draw the shapes of p orbitals. Explain Bohr's model of hydrogen atom and write its limitations. Next, what is the formula for finding the number of electrons that can fit in a shell? The number of elliptical orbits added to first shell by Sommerfeld is 0, 1, 2, 3, and the shape of d orbital is Name the scientist who proposed the quantum mechanical model of an atom. What is NLX method? Write the electronic configuration of copper. What are degenerate orbitals? Distinguish between orbit and orbital. State and explain Aufbau principle. What is the significance of 3 quantum numbers in predicting the position of electrons in an atom? సో 10th వన్ చేసి లాస్ట్ వన్ ఆపేద్దామండి, నేను తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చేద్దాం. సో ఇది క్లాసిఫికేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ అనుకుంటాం. గివ్ అన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ డాబర్నీ ట్రాడ్స్. అకార్డింగ్ టు జాన్ న్యూలాండ్స్, విచ్ ఎలిమెంట్ హ్యాస్ ద సమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ లైక్ Na? Which inert gas differs the general inert gas configuration NS2 NP6? Which group elements are called halogens? What is the Mendeleev periodic law? Write the group number and period number of the element with atomic number 12. What is the collective name given to lanthanides and actinides? In a group, the properties of elements are same, but in a period Y, the properties of the elements change. Using the periodic table, predict the compound formed between the element X of group 13 and element Y or group 16, and explain how the elements are classified into S, P, D, F block elements. What are the advantages of this classifications? సో ముందు చూడండి, మొత్తం 18 ఉన్నాయి, ఇందులో 10 చెప్పాను నేను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.